Alright gents, this is the aftermath of me trying to plug spin a Caesar Astral. So we just learned how to take the pick out once we picked it to the left, so that hopefully we could plug spin it. Tried to plug spin it, wouldn't have it, just locked up in back to the reset position. The very first time I'd done that, it damaged the lock somehow. I wasn't sure how, but it definitely damaged it, made the core tight. So I then thought, oh, maybe it's to do with the cam, because this is the cam system in there. It's quite much more complex compared to a normal one. It just enables both sides to be active at the same time. If the key is on the inside, you can still use a key from the other side to open it, etc. So obviously I made a cut down key with the ends, which is adapted to fit my plug spinner, so we could then spin it with that. That didn't work, and I tried it on the other side with that as well, just to make sure it wasn't that side that was broken, why it's not working anymore. But this side, it just would not have it. I tried all sorts of different run-ups, you know, quarter turn, half turn, different powers and things on my plug spinner. Would not have it. And then I couldn't pick this side anymore. So we obviously damaged it somehow. So I took it apart, took the clip off to have a look what's happening. Took me a good while to figure out what's happened. Inside all Caesar Astrals, there is one of the chambers has a pin-in-pin, which is this little guy here. And we can see if we ditch him out, that's a pin-in-pin. Now this pin-in-pin sprung within itself. Well, I'm sure you can see the problem here already. He sits in there like that, the inner pin. And when we plug spin him, he drops down, and you can see it's deformed the outside of the hole there on the chamber, which has pushed the metal upwards and is now actually sticking up a little bit. And when the core wants to try and rotate, you see there, it's actually stopping. So it's damaged the cylinder, and it's not good. Especially, you know, that's gonna, the key could stop working, for example. There we go, we can't plug spin the Caesar Astral, unfortunately, excuse me. And that's that. Sorry guys, unless someone else can come up with something that I haven't thought about, which I would love if you can, but I'm still looking at maybe using the rotor pick at the moment for Caesar Astral, because that can pick it the other way. And there we go.